It's amazing. Beautiful weather. It's Wednesday again.
Yeah.
Time for filming a new episode.
Yeah. I love Wednesdays.
Oh, it's fucking awesome.
And the weather today.
What lucky we are today.
Yeah, very lucky.
Hello and welcome to a new episode of West Coast Bushcrafters. Today we're gonna test out a real Scandinavian knife, the so-called Puukko.
But hell no, we're not gonna test that one.
What?
We're gonna test this one. The Bark River Puukko CPM 3V.
Nice.
Very nice.
Check it out. Shuttle. What are the specs of the knife?
Yeah, of course. I will I will tell the specs of the Puukko. The blade is 11 centimeters. Blade thickness 3 millimeters. The whole knife is 22.2. Handle 11.2. Steel is CPM 3V and desert ironwood handle. So it's a really beautiful knife. Well, as you can see here, you have a Puukko, and a Lauku. Puukko and Lauku, I'm from Norway. There's a very common knife. They are mostly used up in the north by the Samer, and they know what they are doing with their knives. So I think it's really special that Bark River has made a Puukko in CPM 3V. That's really fun.
Let's see how this knife performs with betoning. Yeah, we wait with this one for the next episode. It's quite a small knife, it's only 3 millimeters. But I think it slices well through the wood actually.
Good.
Nice Scandinavian Bushcrafter.
Now it's time for some feather sticking. Well, the thickness is 3 millimeters, and I can see on the convex it's gonna be I hope it's gonna be a good feather sticker. But at the same time, the Bravo 1 had 5.5 millimeter thick blade, and it was a fantastic feather sticker. So, well, let's see. It's awesome, actually. Very good. It's a little slicer, but at the same time, no problem at all to making feather sticks. Well, Tim, You have to try this one.
I would love to.
Yeah. It's very easy. Very easy. But at the same time, it only weighs 150 grams. It's lightweight. Almost an EDC knife.
Small difference compared to the Tundra tree camp.
Yeah, small difference.
Well, now it's my turn to test out feather sticking with the Bark River Puukko. Really like the grip. It's not too big, it's not too small. Fits well. First I'm gonna test with gloves. After that without. It's so nice. It's a really nice long convex, which is quite sharp, and then when you find this beautiful angle you don't have to push so hard, and you can get this really nice fine curls.
It looks great, Tim.
This is actually pure joy to a feather stick. And okay, we stropped it because it's not the brand new knife. We tested it out before, but it's just strop it a little bit and you're good to go. Hair popping sharp. The grip is good. You don't have a finger guard, but that's a Puukko knife, so really nice.
Well, now it's time to start a fire. We're gonna do it standing. It's nothing we have done before. But we'll see. Now we'll see how sharp the spine is.
What?
Oh, fire. Yeah.
Oh, it's burning.
Yeah, it's burning.
And you can have a phone call.
So, but at the same time, well,
Nice.
nothing to say about that.
Thank you. Kan jag låna din
Yes,
fire still?
of course.
Tackar.
Yes.
Okay.
Well, you got it.
I got it. I think it's quite good spine.
Yeah, it's sharp enough.
Sharp enough, yeah. Much better than the Bushcrafter, at least.
And this is also a Bushcrafter, but well, good spine, no problem.
Absolutely. Let's see how good this knife is in slicing some sticks without any problem. It's not that thick. We have another one. Let's see how it performs on that one. Oh, it really bites deep in the wood. There you almost have a point on the stick. So, This knife is really good for that kind of stuff. Nice fire, Shadow.
Very nice.
It's getting a little bit colder now.
-3 this morning, I think.
It was, yeah. But no wind. That's beautiful.
Yeah. So, let's talk about the knife.
Yeah.
We start with the sheath. When you make such a beautiful knife, and it's a standard Bark River sheath, we are not impressed.
Compare it to the Bravo 1.
Yeah.
Almost same sheet without fire steel.
Yeah.
This is the Aurora 2.
And we have other knives with the same sheath.
We have, but the only positive thing about it, when your sheet breaks, it's easy to order another one. So
Absolutely.
But let's compare it to a knife from the Scandinavian North. I think they made it really nice with some prints on the sheet. So I think this looks like a real samekniv.
So we're not disappointed, but I could have done a little bit more with the sheet.
To get a little bit closer to the Scandinavian feeling, I would say.
But when we talk about the knife, then that's a whole different ball game. It's a very good bushcrafter. I'm not sure if I want to buy a bushcraft knife, if this is the first one I'm going to buy, then it's
this was my first Bark River Bushcraft knife. It's the Bushcrafter 1, and it is a little bit it has a little bit more weight, a little bit thicker handle. So I agree with you.
Yeah.
I would not buy a first bushcraft knife
as the Puukko.
As the Puukko, yeah. So then I will choose or Bushcrafter 1, Bushcraft 2 even.
Yeah.
Or Bravo 1.
Yeah, or Bravo 1.
Then you have a very robust knife.
But at the same time, if you go into the woods with friends and you bring this knife, then everybody is going to look at it and, ooh, what a beautiful knife. Lightweight, CPM 3V.
Good slicer.
Does a good slicer. It does everything that it needs to do. It's a great knife.
That's a beautiful one. Really welcome into the collection of our Bark River knives.
Yes.
And it fits because we are living in Sweden and it's
Scandinavian Bushcrafter.
I feel very positive about the knife. It feather sticks really well. Very sharp convex. So you don't, and when you can get it so super sharp.
Yes.
And that's awesome.
Razor sharp.
Easy to sharpen as well.
So no, again, good job. Very nice knife.
Yeah, I'm happy that Bark River made this.
Yeah, me too. Perfect. Well, now it's time to eat. And to celebrate the Puukko episode, I spent the whole day yesterday making a traditional Norwegian dish. It's called fårikål.
Did you seriously cook the whole day yesterday?
Yeah, I didn't go to work yesterday because it takes so much time. So, but it...
No, Chateau, you're fucking with me.
Yeah, I have to buy the lamb and cook it and everything. So it took the whole day.
I don't believe that.
Well, okay. My mother actually did it.
You see?
So she has made a traditional Norwegian dish. It's called fårikål. And you have never eaten it before?
Never had it. So it will be very interesting to test it.
Yeah. Cabbage, lamb, cabbage, lamb, and lots of salt and pepper and stuff. It's fantastic. It tastes fantastic, and it's a woodsman's dinner.
That I can imagine.
I think it's ready, Tim.
Fucking nice. A lot of food.
Yes.
Tack så mycket.
Varsågod.
Åh jäklar. Det
Var det gott?
Ja.
Norsk husman.
Härligt.
Bra.
Skål.
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 Thanks for watching.
Yes, thank you for watching.
And now it's time to eat. So see how long you keep hold on the episode. See you next time.
Okay, see you next
Cheers.
time. Bye bye.